In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage Microsoft 365 online, specifically focusing on using Word, Excel, and PowerPoint online for free. This intuitive guide will walk you through from accessing the online services to editing an existing file on OneDrive. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to get the most out of Microsoft's free Office tools, this video will provide you with all the information you need to get started and efficiently use these resources. First things first, let's talk about how to access these tools. You'll want to navigate to the official Microsoft 365 online website that offers Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for free use right from your web browser. This is a fantastic option for those who do not have the Office suite installed on their computer or prefer to work directly online. Once you're on the site, the next step is crucial for personalizing your experience and saving your work. Signing in. Look for the Sign In button typically placed at the top right corner of the page. Microsoft allows users to sign in with an existing Microsoft account. If you don't have one, it's very easy and free to create a new account directly from the Sign In page. After clicking on Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account. This is your key to unlocking a synchronized experience across Microsoft services, allowing you to access your documents from any device, anywhere. Once you enter your email, proceed by clicking Next. The following screen will ask for your password. Ensure you enter the correct password associated with your Microsoft account. If you've forgotten it, don't worry, there's an option to reset it. After successfully logging in, you might be looking to work on an existing document, spreadsheet, or presentation you have saved on your OneDrive. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service that comes integrated with your Microsoft account, offering a seamless experience to store, share, and collaborate on documents online. Suppose you're planning to work on an existing Excel file, for instance. You'll navigate to your OneDrive, locate the file you wish to edit, and open it. OneDrive supports direct editing within your browser, enabling you to make changes without needing to download the file or use any external applications. This convenience is part of Microsoft's cloud-first approach, ensuring productivity and collaboration are continually at your fingertips. Editing a file within OneDrive is intuitive. For example, let's say you need to update some data in an Excel spreadsheet. You can easily click and drag your mouse to highlight cells, rows, or columns within the spreadsheet. This action is particularly useful for applying bulk changes, formulas, or even just to copy, cut, or paste content. The simplicity of interaction with your documents online mimics the familiar user experience of the desktop applications, making it an easy transition for anyone accustomed to Microsoft Office software. Throughout this process, it's important to remember a couple of things to enhance your experience. Always ensure you're connected to a stable internet connection while working on documents online. This helps in real-time saving of your changes and prevents data loss. Microsoft 365 Online automatically saves your work, which means every change you make is instantly updated on the cloud. Additionally, take advantage of Microsoft's collaboration tools. You can easily share documents with colleagues or classmates, work on files simultaneously, and even see each other's changes in real time. This collaborative approach not only boosts productivity, but also opens up new ways of working together on projects, assignments, or any form of document-based work. And there you have it. That's how you can make the most out of Microsoft's free online Office tools. From accessing Microsoft 365 online, signing in with your Microsoft account, to editing documents directly in OneDrive. These steps ensure you're well equipped to work efficiently and collaboratively. Whether for personal projects, school assignments, or professional tasks, Microsoft 365 Online offers a powerful, flexible, and free solution to meet your needs. Remember, the world of Microsoft online services is vast and ever evolving. So take this knowledge as a starting point and explore all the possibilities that Microsoft 365 Online has to offer. Happy creating, editing, and collaborating.